Hey everyone, we're here today to talk about what you should expect when purchasing a small pond fountain such as the one behind me. Hi everyone, Patrick Whitson here with Aquatic Control. We're on site of one of our customers today, kind of highlighting an install we did for his pond. The pond's about 0.8 acres, so a little smaller than an acre. Kind of long, narrow pond, as you can see. It's in a spot where it has woods behind it. It doesn't catch a lot of air, doesn't get a lot of surface movement, and the fountain that we installed here creates that movement for him. So you really increase aeration, get the aesthetic benefit of the fountain, and customer obviously here uses the property as recreational and adds a real good look to the property. Just a little bit about this unit. This unit that we're installing is what we consider kind of a plug-and-play unit, meaning that you just need a 120 volt receptacle for this system to work. It has a small timer control panel that plugs into that outlet, and then the rest of the unit plugs into that control panel. So there are a few things that you need to put together out of the box. Aquatic Control can go ahead and do the installation for you, or you could choose to order a unit like this one and install it yourself. Something to consider when thinking about making a purchase. But this unit in particular is a Casco unit. It's a 3/4 horsepower unit. Again, runs on 120 volt, plugs right into an outlet. To put this thing together, you're talking about 4 bolts. The motor bolts right up to the float. It has a small screen on the underside that has some bolts and nuts, but real easy. Screwdriver and a wrench, couple tools, you can put the whole thing together. And then basically you're ready to float the fountain, drop a couple anchor blocks, kind of position it where you want it, and you're off and running. If you're considering purchasing a fountain like the one behind me, the odds are you're going to find multiple different brands of units, especially if you're doing internet search. The thing to keep in mind is that when you purchase a unit through Aquatic Control, you're purchasing a brand name unit, something that has a good warranty, something that we can service, we can install for you, basically take care of the whole unit, or you can work with us to service the unit throughout the life of the unit. So we deal mainly with 3 main brands: Aquamaster, Casco, and Otterbein. They all make good units. They have different price points, different features that you can help you decide which brand you like best. But all good fountains. The one behind us, again, here is a Casco unit, but Otterbein and Aquamaster make very similar units to this one, and we can help you make that selection. Keep in mind that when you do buy a unit through us, again, you're getting a company that can install the work for you. We can do warranty work, the service repair work, and if you don't buy through a reputable company, then that's something you may not get. Once your small pond fountain is installed, they're very low maintenance. You don't need to do a lot to these things throughout the summer while they're running. The important thing is in the fall, before it gets cold or you have a chance to freeze, these units should be pulled out of the water. Pull them out in the fall, store them, put them back in the spring, once your chance for freeze is gone, that'll really extend the life of your unit. As you can see from the footage, we have a pretty unique property behind us here. It's a very recreational property. It also has some nice fish in it. So not only is this customer getting the benefit of the aesthetics of this unit, but the aeration added to the pond is going to help the growth of those fish and give him some better fishing action as well. So if you think a unit like this one may benefit your pond, either aesthetically or by the added aeration, go ahead, give us a call. We do free consultations, and we'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.